Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Miftah Yusuf and you can call me Yusuf. I was born in Tiangco on November 22, 2007. I'm 16 years old. I come from Rangin and now I live in Mandalo. I'm currently a mathematics student at the University of Jambi. I am someone who enjoy improving myself and learning new things. One of my main hobbies is going to the gym. I usually work out 5 times a week. For me, going to the gym is not just about health and building muscle, but also going to the gym about building discipline, consistency, and strong mindset. Besides going to the gym, I also reading self-development book and learning new things. My favorite food is bread rice because it is simple, delicious, and popular in Indonesia. That's little about me. Thank you for your attention.